Welcome back, guys, gals, internet, YouTube, all that stuff. Not really any drama. Well, maybe a little bit of drama. You've seen my videos on the Benelli Supernova pump action shotgun. Some people really have an interest in those. They're kind of budget friendly, and they're also kind of cool to upgrade and actually get out and shoot. What I had happen was a jingle jangle in the action as I'm dry firing. All right, stop. Before you go down in the comments, we have a little message here. Go for it.
That wouldn't have happened if you'd have used snap caps. Snap caps are the best.
Yes, that might be true. Snap caps, yes, will conserve your firearm. But the real shooters will sacrifice parts for training. All right, now back to you. And it's kind of alarming because you don't know exactly what it is. It did lock up the action finally, but what it was just a little. Turns out it's just a little pin, a little retaining pin that the head broke off of it. Not a big deal. It just kind of broke off and just clogged up the action after about messing with the shotgun, trying to figure out, like, without taking it apart, like, why is this thing making a sound? Like, so you probably have a few more shots to get off, and then that's about it. But it locks up the system there. But it's just the retaining pin for the firing pin. An easy solution. You just look up I think it's part 41 on the Numeric website. So they also have a Midwest Gunworks. It looks like they have it in there a little bit cheaper, but I would buy, something like this breaks once, you understand it happens. But if it breaks a second time and you don't have extra parts, you're a dummy. So I got extra pins. So either Midwest Gunworks or Numeric, the item part number 41 off the schematic. You'll see it in here too. All you got to do is just take your gun apart, replace. I'm not going to take it on here because YouTube is going to kill me. All you do is just shove that little dinger back in there and you're good to go. Remember, just get extra ones so that you'd always have them on hand. It looks like it could be a little bit more stout, really. The way it's set up, there's a little rubber piece on here to make it retain against the housing of the bolt carrier. A little rubber grommet thing around there, but they could have made it a little bit more stout. Benelli, come on. Throw in a few breadsticks, unlimited salad next time, and we're good to go. You're better than this. Come on, everything's pretty much quality, but that pin's kind of emaciated. But no big deal. Something that you need to know about, if you're running the Benelli Supernova. Maybe the Nova has it as well. I don't know. I don't have a Nova. But now I got to go in here and look into the other firearms that I got, the M4, M3, and see if there's anything like that. I'm going to even look at the Beretta just one more time over, see if there's anything like that, and then probably have on hand extra retaining pins for future, because I try not to be a dummy, but I have been proven wrong many a times. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps you at all. If it did, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I need you guys. I need my friends out there. I need support. I love you, and God bless. GoPro, stop recording.